Well now, this is just for you, the ice cream cake lover. Here's a delightful recipe for a special ice cream cake that's sure to be a hit. Special ice cream cake. Ingredients. For the cake base. 1. 2 cups chocolate cookie crumbs, from about 20 chocolate sandwich cookies. 2. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted. For the ice cream layers. 1. 1.5 quarts chocolate ice cream, softened. 2. 1.5 quarts vanilla ice cream, softened. 3. 1.5 quarts strawberry ice cream, softened. For the whipped cream frosting. 1. 2 cups heavy cream, chilled. 2. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 3. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional toppings. 1. Chocolate syrup. 2. Chopped nuts. 3. Sprinkles. 4. Maraschino cherries. Instructions. 1. Prepare the cake base. 1. In a bowl, combine the chocolate cookie crumbs with melted butter. 2. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan to create the cake base. 3. Place the pan in the freezer while you prepare the ice cream layers. 2. Layer the ice cream. 1. Spread the softened chocolate ice cream evenly over the chilled cake base. 2. Place the pan back in the freezer for about 30 minutes or until the chocolate ice cream layer is firm. 3. Repeat the process with vanilla ice cream and then strawberry ice cream, freezing each layer until firm. 3. Make the whipped cream frosting. 1. In a large bowl, whip the chilled heavy cream until it begins to thicken. 2. Add powdered sugar and vanilla extract, continuing to whip until stiff peaks form. 4. Frost the ice cream cake. 1. Remove the cake from the freezer and release it from the springform pan. 2. Frost the entire cake with the whipped cream, creating decorative swirls or patterns. 3. Optionally, drizzle chocolate syrup over the top and sprinkle with chopped nuts or colorful sprinkles. 4. Decorate with maraschino cherries for an extra touch. 5. Freeze and serve. 1. Return the ice cream cake to the freezer and let it freeze for at least 4 hours or until completely firm. 2. When ready to serve, remove the cake from the freezer a few minutes before slicing. 3. Slice and enjoy your special ice cream cake. This special ice cream cake offers layers of chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream on a chocolate cookie crust, all topped with a luscious whipped cream frosting. It's perfect for celebrations and can be customized with your favorite toppings. Enjoy!